Hey everyone, welcome back to Everyday Word Chat. I'm Rachel, and today we're diving into a word that's absolutely everywhere in technology.
That's right, I'm Marcus, and the word is interface. You hear it constantly in tech, but have you ever stopped to think about what it actually means?
Great question. So, an interface is basically a point where two systems, subjects, or things meet and interact. It comes from the French word meaning between faces.
I love that etymology, between faces. So it's literally the space where two different things come together and communicate.
Exactly. In technology, we use it all the time. For example, a user interface is how you interact with your computer or phone, the buttons, menus, and screens you see.
Right, like when designers say, we need to improve the interface to make it more intuitive. They're talking about making it easier for users to navigate.
And it's not just visual. A programming interface allows different software components to communicate with each other seamlessly.
Here's another example. The new smartwatch has a touchscreen interface that responds incredibly quickly. See how it describes that point of interaction.
Perfect example. And interestingly, we can use it outside tech too. You might say, she serves as the interface between the marketing and engineering teams.
Oh, that's clever. So she's the connection point, the person who facilitates communication between two groups.
Exactly. The word has this formal, professional tone, which is why you'll hear it more in work contexts than casual conversations.
True, you probably wouldn't say, the interface between my coffee and my mouth is this cup, even though technically it is.
Technically correct, but definitely too formal for everyday chat. But in business or tech discussions, it's essential vocabulary.
So to recap, interface means the point where two things meet and interact, especially in technology contexts.
And remember, it comes from French, meaning between faces. Pretty poetic for such a technical term.
Thanks for joining us today, everyone. Keep practicing this word, and you'll sound more professional in your next tech conversation.
See you next time on Everyday Word Chat.